Wow, isn't that just mesmerizing? Alright, let's get out of there before the existential crisis sets in.
We're not here to talk about black holes themselves, rather how they're made.
It starts with a stellar nebula.
A stellar nebula is a kind of weird cosmic nursery. It's a place where stars are born. It's basically just a huge cloud of dust, hydrogen and helium gas, and plasma.
Then the stellar nebula expands into a massive star, or an average star under 3 solar masses, but we're not talking about that. Then the star goes on to live a normal, happy star life until it begins to die.
The star begins to run out of thermonuclear fuel, and it can't support its iron core. It gets too heavy. Eventually, it collapses upon itself.
Aw, crap.
The massive star swells into a red, not star, not giant, but supergiant.
One of these guys could take up the entirety of Earth's orbit, and probably more.
That really showcases how lowly and insignificant we are as humans, doesn't it?
Gah! I'm doing it again!
After a single star's red giant phase, it becomes a supernova. A supernova is what happens when a star can no longer support its iron core and it can no longer resist its own gravitational force. When this happens, the star collapses. This happens in the form of a supernova, or the explosion of a star.
Supernovas are very rare, and they often give us clues about the universe. One led us to the conclusion that the universe is ever expanding. Pretty cool, right? Once the star explodes, the remnants cool off. They either become white dwarfs after they cool down, or they become black holes. And that, my friends, is how a black hole is born. Thanks for watching. Go tell your friends all the stuff you learned about black holes today, and watch them just quake at your knowledge.